So let's create a fun photo pocket out of this 12 by 12 cut apart page. I love these pages because they are full of so many different cards and designs that really your creative options are endless with what you can do with these pages. But I thought, how fun would it be to use one of these designs to create a little custom pocket that I can then add a photo to inside and then add into my memory planner or on a scrapbook page, really whatever it is that you would essentially desire. So as you can see, I am just using my trimmer to slowly cut apart all the different cards so that I can kind of find and decide which one I want to use, and we can go from there. So I really love this remember card. I love how it has the spots for the journaling on the front, and it would just make a really cute asset into my memory planner. So now that I have my front card, I'm going to grab another 12 by 12 pattern paper from the Sunchaser collection to essentially create my backing piece. There are many ways you could essentially measure your card. I honestly just am eyeballing it, laying it on my trimmer, aligning it as needed, and then just trimming off the excess and going from there. You could use a ruler, but again, I am just kind of doing it the quick, lazy way and just laying on top and using the blade to slice exactly where I need it to be trimmed. There you go. Next up, I'm just going to grab some white cardstock, and what I'm going to do is cut out 1-inch strips that I'm then going to fold in half. As you can see, I have my 1-inch, then I am taking my scoring tool, aligning it in the center, and using the tool to make a nice sharp crease where I will hot dog fold the two sides together in order to start creating my pocket. Once I have that folded, I'm going to use my scoring tool and make a really super sharp crease. I am going to then grab my card and again just eyeballing and using my scissors where I'm going to trim. I'm going to want 3 folds, so 2 along each side and 1 along the bottom in order to create my pocket. Now I have the second piece, and again just eyeballing, using the same size of paper folded in half, 1-inch folded in half. I am then cutting the ends off at a slight angle so that the creased paper kind of nestles inside each other like so. Once I have all my foldable little pieces complete, I am then just using an adhesive so that I can lay them on top of my card. This time I am using glossy accents to create my, so that they stick together, but you could also use a tape runner or whatever you have on hand. I just grabbed the glossy accents and we're just gonna roll with that today. So there you go, and because it's a pocket, I'm just going to use my circle punch to create a little notch at the top. Just, it's easier when I'm wanting to pull out whatever it is I'm going to put inside. I am intending to put a photo, so you can see I'm trying to decide which side I would like to be the inside and the outside. So again, just using my glossy accents and adding a little bit to each of the white pieces of paper that are going to not only create my pocket, but also serve as a track so I can slide my photo in and out once it is created. I love using the bone folder to make sure everything is nice and secure. And there you have it, a super fun and functional pocket that can store whatever you desire. I absolutely love how fun these are. You could create a whole series of pockets from one cut apart page, so it is super fun. So there you have it, a pocket ready to go. I love the patterns together, and again, super easy, super fun. So now for the fun details. I'm using my Heidi Swap Mega Stamp to add in the treasured date, which I always love. I am using some alpha stamps to add in those details. And you know, it's just a fun way. You can also handwrite this, use your typewriter, whatever your heart desires. I love the Life is Good stamp from the Sun Chaser collection. And how fun did that turn out? Now I have my 4x6 photo, and I can just tuck it nicely inside and add it into my planner or on a page.